Start.
Be able to step over there maybe if you wanted to get in. Get a little closer to it, you know.
Is it not real quick? That's what I'm saying. I'll have to check and see what it is.
The FY 736 used to be a Land Rover rather than sample,
Uh-huh.
on the nail road.
Things just put on whatever vehicle and pull it, whatever they do.
That was during, used that during one of the reservoirs.
That's right. Remember having a reservoir set up in the city centre? Used to fill up from them and all.
That's what we used that.
Who's offered Peter's help? I'm not sure what that is this far. Do it at Dublin flipping struggle for glue. Fill yourselves by getting it. I asked him, why is it this? We've got a clue. I think they'll just look there for shoulders.
You'd have to ask somebody like Jones or somebody like Marshall. I have been tired of that. I did a good